The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Benson County in northeastern North Dakota, southeastern Towner County in northeastern North Dakota, Ramsey County in northeastern North Dakota, until 3 a.m. At 2:02 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Starkweather to near Turks Ferry to near Harlow, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Devil's Lake, Candu, Camp Grafton, Lakewood Park, Leeds, Minnewacan, and Edmore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.